Are you looking for the best ergonomic keyboards? In this video we will look at some of the best ergonomic keyboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ajazz AULA Pro 68 Keyboard. Ajazz AULA 68 Pro Alice redefines ergonomic design with its innovative 65% Ergo Alice layout, divided into two intuitive halves, each perfectly contoured for natural hand placement. It transforms typing into a comfortable and efficient experience. Unique features such as the single-touch beaky and split spacebar are tailored for balance and ease. The gasket mounting system of Ajazz AULA 68 Pro allows you to experience a whole new pleasure of typing. This innovative design allows the keyboard to float inside the case without the need for screws and provides a uniform typing feel. Coupled with sound-absorbing materials such as silicone and cotton foam, every keystroke becomes whisper soft. Ajazz AULA 68 Pro's south-facing LED RGB backlight illuminates your workspace with 18 captivating lighting effects, offering 16.8 million colors and multiple dynamic patterns. You can create a lighting environment for any play and work that complements your personality and setting. Connect the Phantom 68 to up to 3 devices via Bluetooth 5.0. 2.4 GHz USB dongle or USB Type-C and switch between devices seamlessly. The Phantom 68 is compatible with any device with Bluetooth, USB or Type-C connections. With a large 4000 mAh battery, you can take the Phantom 68 anywhere without worrying about battery life. Enjoy extended work and playtime on a single charge. Number 2. AULA S99 2.4G Keyboard. Experience the seamless blend of productivity and gaming delight with the AULA S99 wireless Bluetooth keyboard. Engineered with precision, this remarkable keyboard offers a mechanical feel that mimics the satisfying sensation of a traditional mechanical keyboard, delivering an unparalleled typing experience. Say goodbye to mushy keys and embrace crisp, responsive keystrokes that make every task a joy. Featuring state-of-the-art Bluetooth technology, the AULA S99 wireless keyboard connects effortlessly to your devices, ensuring a stable and uninterrupted connection. Whether you're working on a project, crafting emails, or immersed in intense gaming sessions, enjoy the freedom of wireless connectivity without any frustrating lags or drop-offs. Designed with both functionality and aesthetics in mind, the AULA S99 wireless Bluetooth keyboard boasts a sleek and stylish profile that complements any modern workspace or gaming setup. Its compact size makes it highly portable, allowing you to take your productivity and gaming on the go. The keyboard's high-value construction ensures durability, ensuring it can withstand even the most intense gaming marathons. Number 3. Alice A75 Mechanical Keyboard. i75 adopts the appearance of curved design, simulating the state of fingertip bending, which helps the hands and fingers naturally placed, relaxed posture and angle, to achieve a more comfortable typing experience. 83 keys streamlined body layout. The functional area is complete, comfortable to code, compared with the traditional full-size layout of the keyboard to save 15% desktop space. With rocker design in the middle of the keyboard, the rocker up and down corresponds to the up and down, left and right arrow key functions, the center of the press for the enter function. Number 4. Delux GM901D Keyboard. Ergonomic curved layout gives you a more relaxed, natural typing experience without fatigue over long hours working. More wrist support gives your wrists a lift, and reduces strain and discomfort. Microsoft, Windows XP/Windows 7/Windows 8/Windows 10 are registered trademarks of Microsoft Corporate in US or other countries. The trademarks are their own, image and text are just for illustration. Number 5. Feker Alice 98 Pro Keyboard. Feker Alice 98 Pro is a 3-mode versatile keyboard with a unique split Alice layout. The layout has been carefully optimized using an optimized angle split in the middle so that the keys on both sides of the split get a 3 degrees ergonomic arch shape layout. This enables proper comfort while typing. Other key features of the keyboard includes QMK Plus via programming, hot swappable sockets, 3-mode connectivity, RGB backlight, high-fill linear mechanical switches, outstanding battery durability, etc. Get yourself the Alice 98 Pro today, and experience next-level comfort while typing.